Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete MEXC account. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your MEXC application, which of course I've done right here. Now the next thing is, how can you download the MEXC app? You can get it on Google Play Store or Apple Store. So launch any of those applications depending on the device that you use and locate the search bar. In the search bar of the apps, go ahead and type in MEXC and follow through with the on-screen prompts to install. After installing the application, it's going to take you right into the sign up page. We're going to be asked to either log in using an existing account or to create an entirely new account. Now, whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on MEXC. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to delete your MEXC account. From this home page, I'd like you to head over to the top left corner of your screen where you have your profile icon there. So click on that. And once you click on that, it takes you over to this page where you have fee settings, referral, security, transaction settings, API management, join MEXC community, customer service and support raiders, server selections, switch count, and logout. So from these settings, if you want to delete, the next thing you need to do is to click on security. So after clicking on security, it takes you right into this page. So over here, you have the anti-phishing code, you have the recent login history, device management, a couple of features, all the way down to the sign up time. For you to delete your account, go ahead and click on manage account. So once you click on manage account, it takes you over here. We have the option to either freeze your account or to delete your account. So once your account is frozen, most of the functions will be disabled, such as login, trading, deposit, and withdrawal, and can choose to freeze your account anytime. It is recommended that you freeze your account first if you do not want to use it. Then delete. Once your account is deleted, all information will be erased, such as mobile number, email address, personal information, etc. And this operation is irreversible. Please proceed with caution. Now go ahead and click on delete account. And once you do that, here you go. Delete MEXC account. So mobile phone or email should be bound. All right. So your mobile phone and your email are not bound, so they're not bound right to MEXC. So for you to delete your account, you have to ensure that you have verified your email, or you have done your phone verification or email verification. So after doing that, it takes you here. So you can now, once that is done, you can now click on proceed. And once you click on proceed, your accounts will be deleted. Now you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.